Have you thought about how to make money with NFTs? It is in this area that trailblazers like you are discovering new uses for cryptocurrencies and pushing the boundaries of technology and digital content creation. The right NFTs have paid off handsomely for a few speculative investors. Some are finding out how to create NFTs themselves and sell them for a profit as this NFT viral movement grows. In today's video, we're about to show you step-by-step how to buy and sell NFTs and create NFTs so you can get in this movement and possibly make some money selling the ones you create. If you've been following our content, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? So what is an NFT? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are special collectible crypto properties that have been around since 2012 when the idea of Bitcoin-colored cash first appeared. This cash had been Satoshis, small fractions of Bitcoin, labeled or colored, with awesome statistics that should have hyperlinked the cash to real-world assets. These colored coins have mostly been used to create and alter artworks, such as the rare Pepe digital playing cards on Counterparty, a peer-to-peer buying and selling platform built on the Bitcoin blockchain. Viral web memes have been some of the first examples of special digital artwork related to cryptographic tokens. This paved the way for the notion and advent of new immutable token requirements, a set of blockchain constructing blocks that enable builders to create their very own NFTs. NFTs may represent almost any kind of tangible or immaterial object, including artwork, virtual items within video games such as skins, virtual currency, weapons, and avatars, music, collectibles like digital trading cards, tokenized real-world assets like real estate and cars and racehorses, and designer sneakers, virtual land, and video footage. So yes, all of this sounds exciting, but how do I make an NFT if I wanted to? It's not hard to make your own NFT, whether it's a GIF or an image, and you don't need to be an expert in the cryptosphere. Collections of digital trading cards and other collectibles can be created using NFT artwork. Flow by Dapper Labs, Tron, EOS, Polkadot, Tezos, Cosmos, and Wax each have a blockchain that has its own personal unbiased NFT token standard, like-minded pocket offerings and marketplaces. For example, if you create NFTs on the pinnacle of Binance Smart Chain, you will solely be capable of promoting them on systems that guide Binance Smart Chain assets. With this skill, you would not be in a position to promote them on something like VIV3, a market primarily based on the Flow blockchain, or OpenSea, which is an Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. Right now, Ethereum has the greatest, most reliable NFT ecosystem. So if you want to create your very own NFT artwork, music, or video, the Ethereum blockchain may be the best place to do it. First of all, you want to purchase some Ethereum and put it in a wallet that supports the ERC-721, Ethereum-based NFT token standard, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. You'll also need this to cover the Ethereum gas fees of using the token. If you use a Coinbase wallet, you can purchase Ether from the platform with US dollars, British sterling, and different fiat currencies. Otherwise, you will want to buy from a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have these, there are a variety of NFT focus structures that permit you to join your wallets and add a chosen picture or file to convert to NFT. Some of the major Ethereum NFT marketplaces include OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, Larva Labs or CryptoPunks, NBA Top Shot Marketplace, and Rariable. Makerspace additionally lets you create your personal NFTs, but you have to register to be listed as an artist on the platform. With OpenSea, Rariable, and Mintable, you'll find a Create button in the pinnacle proper corner. So here's how the method works on OpenSea, presently the biggest Ethereum-based NFT market. Clicking the Create button, blue, will take you to a display screen that will ask you to join your Ethereum-based wallet. Once you enter your pocket password upon request, your pockets will mechanically join the marketplace. You may also want to digitally signal a message in your Ethereum pockets to show you the pocket address, but it is simply a case of clicking and continuing. The cost of digitally signaling the message is simply demonstrating that you own the wallet. The subsequent step on OpenSea is to hover over Create in the pinnacle proper nook and pick out My Collections. From there, click on the blue Create button. An NFT can be any digital assets, such as artwork, music, videos, or an object in a video game. You may upload your artwork and title and describe it, and then a window will appear. All that remains is to establish a folder to hold your newly minted NFTs. When you upload an image to the collection, it will appear as seen below, blue. Then, in the top right corner, select the pencil symbol to insert the banner image into the web page. You are now prepared to design your own NFT. To sign another message, click the Add New Item, blue, button and enter your wallet information. You will be sent to a new window where you can also add your NFT picture, an audio file, GIF, or a 3D model. On OpenSea and many different marketplaces, you may also add precise traits and characteristics to your NFT to enhance its rarity and uniqueness. Creators can even include unlocked cloth that is only available to the consumer. This would possibly vary from passwords used to get admission to positive offerings to cut price coupons and contact information. When you're finished, click on Create at the backside and signal every other message in the pockets to verify the NFT's creation. After that, the paintings will be delivered to your collection. So there you have tips to creating your very own NFT collection. But what if you wanted to buy some NFTs and hold them to see if they will be worth more in the future? Here's how to buy NFTs. There are 4 things you need to consider before buying NFTs. Number 1. What marketplace do you intend to buy the NFTs from? Number 2. If you want to purchase NFTs on a particular platform, what wallet should you download? Number 3. To complete the sale, what cryptocurrency must you fund the wallet with? Number 4. Do the NFTs you want to buy take part in a pack or art drop at a specific time? As you may have guessed, some NFTs are only available on specific platforms. For example, if you want to purchase NBA Top Shot packs, you will need to open an account with NBA Top Shot, create a Dapper wallet, and fund it with either USDC stablecoins or supported fiat currency options. You will also have to wait for one of the card packs to be announced and try your luck and try to buy them before they sell out. Pack and art drops are becoming increasingly common methods of selling rare NFTs to an audience of hungry buyers. These dips usually require users to pre-register and fund their accounts so they don't miss an opportunity to buy NFTs during a dip. Packaging and art drops can be done in seconds, so you need to have everything ready in advance. Right now, the best places to buy NFTs for crypto traders looking to buy NFTs in 2022 are OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Axie Marketplace, Bakery Swap, NFT Showroom, Vive Free, Nifty Gateway, and Foundation. With all of that being said, let's say you've created your own NFT collection and you'd like to sell it or individual NFTs from your collection. How would you go about selling your NFTs? To sell your NFTs on a marketplace, first, find them in your collection, then click on them and look for the sale icon. When you click this, a pricing page will appear, allowing you to define the parameters of the sale, such as whether to hold an auction or sell things for a fixed amount. The most common cryptocurrencies for which you may trade your NFTs are Ether and other ERC20 tokens. Some platforms only accept the native token of the blockchain on which they were built. Vive 3, for example, is a Flow blockchain marketplace that only accepts Flow tokens. You may set the royalties and pick the ERC20 token you want to get for the NFT sale by clicking the Edit button next to the collection image on OpenSea, signing the message with your wallet, and scrolling down. When a new consumer purchases an asset, royalties allow NFT developers to earn a commission. This can empower artists and other content producers with lifetime passive revenue streams by utilizing smart contracts. To complete the NFT listing procedure, a charge may be required. It is crucial to remember that this does not apply to all platforms when producing NFTs. We've talked about quite a few things here, but here's the question you must ask yourself. Are NFTs the right investment for you? The NFT movement is new and an early example of potential cryptocurrencies to make the digital economy work for more people. Creating and selling digital assets can make a lot of sense for creators. But when it comes to buying NFTs for their collectible value, it is a speculative investment. The value is uncertain and will fluctuate depending on the demand for the work itself. There is no hard and fast rule as to which collectibles will increase in value and which will not. But spotting a new NFT trend early can pay off big later. Some digital artworks that were originally sold for a pittance have since been sold for many thousands of dollars. If you have a flair for art, music, etc., and like to collect, it might make sense for you to invest in NFTs. Some things to look for when buying include the creator of the asset, how unique the piece is, the ownership history of the asset, and whether the asset could be used to generate income after ownership. For example, payment for viewing the piece or royalties. As for the argument that NFTs are bubbles waiting to burst, bubbles are usually revealed only in hindsight. But keep in mind that this doesn't change the fact that digital assets could indeed cool at some point in the future. Crypto and NFT projects began to coexist with the stock market in early 2022. Consider the risks and diversify your investments. You can mix cryptocurrencies and shares of blockchain technology companies into your NFT portfolio, for instance. Currently, NFTs are in their infancy. It's a promising new frontier in the tech world, but there are many risks involved in investing in the nascent stage of any movement. As you learn more about NFTs, tread lightly and remember to stay diversified with your investments to reduce the risk of any single asset derailing your wealth-building progress. Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.